I remember the day I was diagnosed with multiple sclerosis. It felt like the ground had shifted beneath me, leaving me lost and uncertain about my future. The world of modern medicine, with its sterile clinics and endless prescriptions, felt cold and impersonal, as if I were just another case file. The medications I was given came with a long list of side effects. Some days it felt like the cure was almost as hard as the disease itself. I found myself overwhelmed, longing for something gentler, something that would support my body rather than just mask my symptoms. I began to wonder if there was a way to care for myself that felt more natural, more in tune with who I am. I wanted to find a path that honored my body and my spirit, not just my diagnosis. As a biologist and herbalist, I knew that plants had been used for healing long before modern medicine existed. I started researching the remedies our ancestors relied on, reading old herbal texts and exploring the fields and forests near my home. I decided to start small, with just a few pots of medicinal herbs on my porch. Each morning, I would step outside, breathe in the fresh air, and tend to my little garden. It became a ritual, a way to nurture both my plants and myself. Watching those tiny seeds sprout and grow into strong, vibrant plants filled me with hope. It was a daily reminder that healing is a process, and that even small steps can lead to big changes. My garden gave me a sense of purpose, and a reason to look forward to each new day. Before long, my small collection of pots grew into a thriving herbal pharmacy. I began drying and storing the herbs, learning how to make teas, tinctures, and salves that could support my health in gentle, effective ways. Chamomile tea became my nightly ritual, soothing my nerves and helping me find restful sleep when anxiety threatened to keep me awake. I discovered that certain leaves, when brewed or applied as a compress, could ease my headaches and calm my body in ways that felt nurturing and safe. With every herb I planted, I felt a deeper connection to the earth and to my own healing journey. I realized I was growing my own medicine, reconnecting with the natural world, and finding healing in more ways than one. This personal transformation inspired me to create the Medicinal Garden Kit. I wanted to make it easy for others to experience the same empowerment and hope that I found in my garden. My goal was to help people everywhere grow their own healing plants at home, no matter their level of experience or the size of their space. I wanted to share the joy of nurturing life and the peace that comes from knowing you can support your own well-being. The kit is more than just a collection of seeds. It's a doorway to a more natural, self-reliant lifestyle. It contains everything you need to start your own herbal pharmacy, right in your backyard or on your windowsill. These are the very same plants I use every day to manage my health, from calming teas to soothing balms and nourishing tinctures. My hope is that this kit brings you the same sense of peace, empowerment, and connection to nature that it brought me. May it inspire you to slow down, breathe deeply, and trust in the healing power of the earth. Take back control of your well-being, simply and safely, by growing your own medicine and reconnecting with the rhythms of nature. Your backyard, balcony, or even a sunny windowsill can become your personal pharmacy, a place of healing, growth, and renewal. Let nature help you heal. Start your journey today and discover the power of plants to transform your life. We've all felt helpless when medicine or help was out of reach. Store shelves can empty fast in a crisis, and healthcare costs keep rising. Many of us crave a simpler, more natural way to care for our families. Growing your own herbal remedies puts control back in your hands. Imagine picking fresh leaves for an immune-boosting tea or making a soothing salve from your own plants. Our grandparents relied on their gardens, not pharmacies. This connection to the earth brings peace and security. Your garden becomes a living source of wellness, always there for you. Planting a seed and watching it grow is deeply rewarding. It teaches patience and trust in nature's power. Transform your backyard into a sanctuary of health. Take the first step toward self-reliance, grow your own medicine, and change your life. The Medicinal Garden Kit is your complete pharmacy in a box. I've selected 10 powerful, easy-to-grow medicinal plants and sourced high-quality, non-GMO seeds from trusted U.S. suppliers. Each kit includes 10 clearly labeled seed packets. You'll also get my comprehensive herbal medicinal guide, From Seeds to Remedies. This step-by-step book shows you how to plant, care for, and harvest each herb for maximum potency. Most importantly, you'll learn to turn your harvest into real medicine. Tinctures, salves, teas, and more. No special equipment or experience needed. The guide is beginner-friendly. It's like having me in your kitchen, teaching you every step. The kit empowers you to create your own natural remedies from scratch. Ensure your family has access to safe, natural medicine, no matter what. It's a small investment for a lifetime of health. Build your own backyard pharmacy today. Worried gardening is too hard? You're not alone. Many people feel overwhelmed at the thought of starting a garden, especially if they don't have a lot of space or experience. But what if I told you that gardening can be simple, enjoyable, and incredibly rewarding? The Medicinal Garden Kit is designed for everyone. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or a complete novice, this kit has everything you need to get started. I chose these 10 herbs because they're hardy, resilient, and easy to grow, even for beginners. These plants are perfect for anyone looking to start their own garden without the hassle. They thrive in pots, window boxes, or small raised beds. No big yard needed. You can grow them on a balcony, a windowsill, or even in a small corner of your kitchen. The included guide gives clear, simple instructions for planting and care. It walks you through each step, from planting the seeds to harvesting your herbs. Nature does most of the work. These plants want to grow. With just a little bit of care and attention, you'll see your herbs flourish. Gardening itself is healing, reducing stress, and connecting you to the earth. It's a wonderful way to unwind and find peace in your daily life. Harvesting and using your herbs is just as easy. You'll find joy in picking fresh herbs and using them in your daily routine. My guide shows you when and how to pick each plant for the best results. You'll learn the best times to harvest and how to use your herbs effectively. Many remedies are as simple as making tea. Imagine sipping a warm cup of herbal tea made from your own garden. You'll be amazed at how easy it is to create natural solutions at home. From teas to tinctures, the possibilities are endless. This kit is accessible to everyone, no matter your experience or space. It's designed to bring the joy of gardening to all, regardless of where you live. Start your journey to natural healing, one simple step at a time. With the Medicinal Garden Kit, you'll discover the joy of growing your own herbs and the satisfaction of using them in your daily life. Let's explore some of the powerful plants you'll grow. Yarrow, known as woundwort, stops bleeding and helps cuts heal fast. A true first aid plant. California poppy is a gentle, non-addictive pain reliever and sleep aid, perfect for restful nights. Chamomile calms nerves, soothes stomachs, and eases skin irritations. Safe for the whole family. Echinacea is a famous immune booster, helping you fight off colds and flu. These are just a few of the 10 healing allies in your kit. Each plant offers unique benefits and is easy to grow at home. You'll have fresh, potent remedies at your fingertips. Discover the power of nature's medicine cabinet. Your garden will support your health in natural, effective ways. Imagine real-life moments where your garden becomes your medicine cabinet. For a scraped knee, crush yarrow leaves for a natural poultice. No chemicals needed. Struggling to sleep? Brew a calming tea from your own California poppy or chamomile. Feel a cold coming on? Reach for your homegrown echinacea tincture to boost immunity. Soothe sore muscles with a marshmallow root salve you made yourself. These aren't just stories. They're practical, everyday solutions. Your medicinal garden empowers you to care for your family naturally. No more dependency on store-bought pills. Real solutions right outside your door. Experience the confidence of self-reliant healing. With your Medicinal Garden Kit, you'll receive 2 valuable bonus guides. The first, Healing Yourself at Home with Household Items, teaches you to use common kitchen staples for quick remedies. Learn how to handle toothaches, burns, and more with what you already have. The second guide, Wild Edible and Medicinal Herbs You Can Forage, helps you identify healing plants growing nearby. Discover the power of weeds like dandelion and plantain. Both guides are packed with practical tips and clear photos for easy identification. Expand your natural pharmacy beyond your garden. These resources make you even more prepared and self-sufficient. Growing your own medicine is a journey that requires patience and dedication. It's not as instant as grabbing a bottle of pills from the pharmacy shelf. Instead of a quick fix, you're investing in a process that nurtures both your health and your connection to nature. You'll start by planting tiny seeds, carefully watering them, and watching as they slowly transform into thriving herbs. Each day, you'll witness small changes, new leaves, stronger stems, and the unmistakable scent of fresh growth. This hands-on care is the first step toward making your own natural remedies. When harvest time arrives, you'll gather fresh, vibrant herbs, knowing exactly how they were grown. You'll craft pure, effective medicine with your own hands, free from unwanted additives or chemicals. The sense of accomplishment is truly rewarding. The Medicinal Garden Kit is available exclusively from me, so you can trust that every seed and plant is chosen for quality, potency, and freshness. You won't find this level of care in mass-produced kits. Ordering is simple and secure through my website, and your purchase is protected by a 365-day money-back guarantee. You can start your garden with total confidence, knowing you have a full year to see the results for yourself. The benefits go far beyond just saving money. You'll have a reliable, renewable source of natural medicine, complete control over every ingredient, and the peace of mind that comes from knowing exactly what you're giving your family. Many of these plants will reseed themselves, giving you harvest after harvest for years to come. Your garden becomes more abundant with each season, making it a truly cost-effective solution. Most importantly, you'll feel empowered, confident in your ability to care for yourself and your loved ones, no matter what happens in the world. You'll no longer be at the mercy of empty pharmacy shelves or overwhelmed healthcare systems. Your garden gives you independence and security right at home. Imagine soothing a cough, easing a headache, or caring for your family's everyday ailments with remedies you grew yourself. It's a comforting feeling that brings families closer together. Growing your own medicine fosters self-reliance, reduces anxiety, and connects you to a tradition that's been passed down for generations. It's a way to slow down and appreciate the healing power of nature. The wait for your first harvest is a small investment for a lifetime of health, peace, and self-sufficiency. Each day brings you closer to a healthier, more independent future. Take the first step on your journey to natural wellness today. Your garden and your health are waiting. Planting a medicinal garden is planting hope for a healthier future. It's a promise to yourself and your family for natural well-being. Every tea you brew and remedy you make is a statement of strength and self-care. Imagine teaching your children about these healing plants, passing down a legacy. Your garden becomes a sanctuary, nourishing body and soul. You don't need to be an expert. Just start with a little space and a desire for change. The Medicinal Garden Kit gives you everything you need. Take control of your health, simply and safely. In uncertain times, create your own corner of wellness. Grow your own medicine and embrace a healthier tomorrow.